Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says the equation of plane passing through the point this and perpendicular to the plane this and this. So, they have given you two planes and you need to write down equation of plane perpendicular to these planes which is passing through this point. Now, you know that to write down equation of plane we need a point on the plane which we already have. Now we need a vector normal to the plane, correct? Now try to look at your room. Okay, just try to observe the wall on the left hand side. So it is your left wall, correct? Now this is your front wall and this is the floor. Okay, this is for example I am taking. Now try to understand this thing. Suppose that this is the equation of left wall. Suppose. So if this is equation of a left wall, you can find out a vector normal to the wall, that is 2i plus j minus 2k. Okay. Now this is the equation of floor. Okay, this is equation of floor. Suppose. Okay, so now try to understand, if you will do the cross product, you will get a vector coming out of the floor. Okay, so it is coming out of the floor. So if you will observe, this is going this way and from the floor it will come like this. And if you will do cross product, you will get a vector perpendicular to those vectors. Just put thumb, just close your fist and make a thumb coming out of the left hand wall. Again do this same thing with the right hand. Okay, and if you will do the cross product, you will get a vector coming out of the this wall. Okay, so in the crux, you know that the front wall is perpendicular to the left wall as well as the floor. Okay, so can I say that if we will use the cross product of plane 1 vector and plane 2 vector, we will get a vector perpendicular to the plane which is perpendicular to this plane and this plane. I hope this is clear. Okay, if it is not clear, please go through this video again. Okay, so suppose that the normal vector corresponding to left wall is this 2i plus j minus 2k. Then we have normal vector corresponding to the floor. So it is 3i minus 6j minus 2k. So if we will do the cross product n1 cross n2, we will get a normal vector corresponding to the front wall. Okay, the required plane. Okay, so it is I j k 2 1 minus 2 3 minus 6 minus 2. Okay, so just open this bracket. So it is minus 1 minus 2 minus 12. So it is minus 14 minus j. So it is minus 4 plus 6. So it is 2. Then k, it is minus 12 minus 3. So it is minus 15. So it is minus 14i minus 2j minus 15k. So this vector will be normal to the third plane. Okay, so you guys can use the coefficient as minus 14x minus 2y minus 15z plus lambda equals to 0. And how we will get the value of lambda? By substituting the point. So it is minus 14 minus 2 minus 15 plus lambda equals to 0. So lambda will be equal to 31. So the equation of plane will look like minus 14x minus 2y minus 15z and plus 31. So this is the equation of plane which is perpendicular to given both the planes and will definitely pass through the point 1 comma 1 comma 1. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.